Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Craigslist search filters when searching for items on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to go ahead and open up this main page from where we can go and take a look at all the categories we can browse for items. And in the upper right corner, the first thing we want to do is log into our account. If you have not already, you can go and create one if you need one. So after creating an account, log in. This is going to be the menu of your account, and now we can go and go back to the main page of Craigslist to go ahead and take a look at all the categories we can start browsing. So here, as you can see, we have the categories we can go and use: community, housing, for sale, and so on. You can go and find everything you need by selecting one of the options you have right here, what you're searching for, and it's going to go and give you a result of all the ads that are available in that category on your location. In the upper left corner, you can go and select your location if you want to change it, or the category that you want to go and take a look at. But here at the left side of the screen, you're going to see the filters. So here we have all the filters, such as the price, the information regarding the ad. If you're looking for housing, you're going to select how many bedrooms, bathrooms, and so on. If cats are okay, dogs are okay, and so on. All the filters, they're going to be available for your search and are going to appear right here at the left side of the screen. Once you select them, click apply and start a search again, and that's how to use filters on Craigslist. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.